Very good morning. Myself is Kiran Kumar Jr. Basically, I am from Mandya but currently residing in Bengaluru. I have completed my graduation in Computer Science Engineering in Global Academy of Technology 2019, my passed out year. A few months ago, I joined the Evision for the networking course. Here, I learned a lot of things about networking, Windows administration, CCNA, Cisco, Linux administration, and cyber security. In networking, we have learned a lot of basic like what is networking, types of the models, and the type of networking device like switch, hub, routers, and like this like and also networking devices, and also types of the mediums like wired or wireless, and also type of the protocols, DNS, DHCP, FTP, AFIFI, IMAP. These are all the things, and also voice and reference models, IP addressing, and also virtualization. These things I have learned in networking class. And also Windows administration, we done a lot of practical things like how to install the server, how to configure the server, how to active the ADDS roles, and also configure the domains, and also how to create the users and assign the permission and rights to the users, and also remote desktop protocols and FTP protocol, disk cleanup, disk management, device managers, firewalls, proxy servers, and so fragmentation and defragmentations, event viewer, BitLocker drive encryptions, and WDS roles, and also domain controller, and also how to configure the types of the domain controllers, and also printer troubleshooting, Windows troubleshootings, and also hardware troubleshooting. These are all the things we are learned in interview session and Windows administration class. And come to the CCNA, we have done a lot of practical things like router, IP addressing, routing, and also default gateway, and default gateway, routing, types of routing like static, dynamic, default, and also types of the dynamic routing like an IGP and EGP. In there are three types like RIP, OSPF, and EIGRP. And also in EGP there are one type BGP, and also and then we have learned switching, VLAN, WAN, and also IPv6, and also MAC addressing, SSH, Telnet, and also complete information about the voice and reference model. These are the things we have learned in Cisco classes. Finally, I have attended the every mock interview they are conducting, and also done the every practical things, whatever I have learned in the class session. Uh, these are all things I have learned in the class sessions. Finally, I would like to tell you something, guys. Thank you so much for the entire revision team for teaching something to us. They make a more strongest and confident person. And I'm glad to start my career with the Evision under the Evisions. And really, thank you so much for giving this opportunity, Ahmad.